people of the world, hear these words. January 20th, 2017 will be remembered as the new millennium. The new millennium. There was little to celebrate, and everyone watching, scattered like tombstones all across our land. Confidence in our country dissipated over the horizon. A new vision will govern our land. As an example, we will seek to impose our way of life on everyone. At the bedrock of our politics will be a total allegiance to our ravages. On immigration, your hopes and your dreams will be ignored like never before. On foreign affairs, there is no room for solidarity. Honestly, with every breath in my body, I will let you down. And most importantly, we will rediscover American carnage right here, right now. From this day forward, it's going to be only prejudice. First, prejudice. First, prejudice. First, prejudice. First, prejudice. First, prejudice. We will reinforce division. Prejudice. We will determine the course of America and the world with not even a thought. The forgotten men and women of our country will be forgotten again. We will make hardships the likes of which the world has never seen before.
Oh, the clever men at Oxford know all that there is to be known, but they none of them know what half as much as clever old Mr. Toad. The army all saluted as they marched along the road. Oh, was it the king or the president?